Hey viewers, Shahryar here. Today I'm gonna show you Sublime Text portable version and how to configure and use the portable version of Sublime Text 3. Well, at the very first, go to the web address. I have just selected here sublimetext.com/3 and there you will get the portable version. See, there is 64 and the other one is not mentioned, but there is that is, yes, of course, 32-bit, and I'm gonna download the 32-bit version because if your machine is 32-bit, 32-bit will work very fine. If it is 64, still 32-bit will work very fine. But if your machine 32-bit and you're downloading 64-bit, it may not work. So it's very fine or good that you download the 32-bit application. Okay, fine. So just I'm downloading. Wait for a while, it will download. Download almost finished. Yeah, it's finished now. I'm going to open it, show in folder. So cart it, and I'm going to my USB pen drive and then paste. Now it's a zip file, right? So I'm going to extract it. Now we have the unzip folder, so I'm going to rename this one. Just open this one, and here you see Sublime Text.exe. I'm going to open this one, and security warning, just run it. So here you go, your Sublime Text portable version is ready for work. Now I'm going to create new file, so Ctrl N and then Ctrl S up, and inside my removable USB disk I'm going to make a folder named HTML, and inside that I'm creating index.html file, right? And now save. So now I'm writing some code like HTML5. Normally I used to use this one, though it's a plugin issue, it's not working. But if I use HTML, it's working. Yeah, HTML file is working fine. There is no problem. But I want to configure this. I want to install some extra plugin. I mean the emit, I mean HTML5 snippet, CSS3 snippet. I want to install all those things. So in that case, what you have to do is that click on Tools and then click Install Package Control. Wait for a while. Package Control was successfully installed. Very fine. Now this is disappeared. So now click to Preference and then go to Package Control. Now write INS, then you will find Install Package. Click here. Wait for a while. This is where you can find your package controls. I mean, I want to install HTML5, so HTML5. Just click, wait for a while, and now removing this one and HTML5, just refresh. See, all settings there. Now if I press nav and then tab, I'm getting the code is much easier. And then if you want to write some section, okay, so it's working fine. I'm just pressing Ctrl S. Now maybe some of you are used to use emit, like you want to write a nav, then with an ID menu, and inside that UL, and inside that li, and number of li is 5. Maybe you want to use this. So now I'm pressing tab. It's not working, but it should work if there is emit installed. Well, let's install emit now. Okay, Preference, then Package Control, then again Install Package. Wait for a while. Now E double M E T So here you go, click, wait for a while, your image is ready. So now let's try. Nav with an ID, menu, UL, then li, and number of item 5, fresh tab. Here you go. So image is all now working. Go to preference and then package control, and then again install, and then wait for a while, and now CSS3. So CSS3 property will work now. So wow, well, you may write a lot of code, and maybe your code is not in a proper indent, or your code is sometime not in a proper shape. So you want to re-indent all those things in a shorthand method. Well, in that case, we will use a keybind. Actually, we will set some rules. So click to preference and then go to keybinds. Here you will find two keybinds. One is default and another one is user defined. So I will write something here. Okay, let me just copy and paste. Copy and paste. I'm making a bit bigger so it's easier for you to read. Well, here you see keys, Control Shift R. This is actually a command for re-indent. Well, I'm just saving these things and then going to my portion. Now if I press Control Shift R, my code is now in a right shape. So again, if it's like this, Control Shift R. Well, in my case it's Control Shift R, but if you want to sense and instead of R, you may want to use Control Shift 1 or maybe Control Shift Tab. To do so, again go to the preference. You maybe close this one and then again go to preference, keybind, in this up, and here you see R. Instead of R, I am going to set tab, T-A-B, and now save this, closing, and now I am selecting these things and Control Shift Tab. Now it's working. So this is how you can configure your portable Sublime Text. I am closing off and unplugging my USB. Everything gone, all things with my USB pen drive. Now again connecting my USB pen drive. Sublime Text, Sublime Text.exe, run. So sometime you may find this type of two window. So this time go to view and then layout and then single. You may use 4 or 3 column, it's up to you actually. So single, and now I'm closing this. So Control W and file, open, and I'm going to open that HTML file. Here you go. If you want to add something, some other thing, like right click, open in browser. So here you go, all these things is working very fine. Again, I'm Shahriyar and I'm signing off. Thank you.